Welcome to a new IT Under 3. Today we're going to be teaching you about Google Slides and some of the things you could do to make your slides look just a bit better. So the easiest way to get the Google Slides is just to type slides on Google, and then it should be the second link down. Once you get on the Google Slides, you could either create a new one in the top left or just click on one you've already made. So to the right here you could see that there's themes. You could also import themes. There's a lot of sites to do that. A good one to use is Slides Carnival. Another feature of Google Slides is, say you want to change the layout of the first title card. If you go to Slides and go to Apply Layout, then you could change it to whatever you want it to be. You could also insert images by hovering over Insert, going to Images, and you could search up images inside of Google Slides like this and select them, and they get created inside of your slides. You also can add an image by URL, and if you have the URL of your image, you just paste it in there and hit insert. It should pop up like that. On insert, you could add shapes or add any diagrams you might want. As you see, Google Slides offers a lot of different diagrams for you to use. Another feature of Google Slides, the tables. You can make tables of any size if you needed one. Other features are any sort of charts, and if you had one on Google Sheets, then you could pull it out of there and put it right on your slide. You also can change the background to any color you want, or even an image. As you see here, I'm just going through a few of the colors. You could choose an image, and you can either upload it from your computer, by camera, by the URL, or from your Google Drive, or Photos, or Google Search. If you hit done, you see it applied in the background. And finally, under Tools is Spell Check. I recommend using Spell Check a lot just to double check your work and to go over things again. This has been IT Under 3. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, contact the Mentor IT department or go to the webpage on mentorschools.org. Thank you.